What do you consider to be your biggest single contribution to humanity? It's a big, frothy, meaty kind of question. It can be more than one, it can be personal, professional.
Being in service, service to the healthcare, service to the community, being the voice of patients. Because as a radiologist, we look at everything.
Sure.
Right. So you give me an X-ray, and I'm not going to look at if you're got pneumonia. I'm going to look if you got everything else. So I feel like I'm the patient's advocate. And here's an example. Some patient came in during COVID and had abdominal pain, and you look at, there's nothing going in the abdomen, and then you look at sure enough, they caught a little bit of the lung base and full-blown COVID, and I'm like, okay, and I call the ER doc. I'm like, hey, this patient's got COVID, or this patient has a high probability for COVID. Back then, that's what we were calling it, and he's like, how is that possible? He just has abdominal pain, and so you're learning. You're just now learning that COVID has many symptoms. But so just being a patient advocate in healthcare, providing a path for health and